Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. The exchange rate of a currency can be influenced by several factors, including political stability, economic policies, external trade, foreign exchange reserves, and the degree of economic integration within a country. In the case of Iraq, a country that has faced significant political and economic challenges over the past few decades, fluctuations in exchange rates are common, reflecting the underlying uncertainty in the market. However, recent reports indicate a trend towards stability in the dollar exchange rates across key cities in Iraq, namely Baghdad, Basra, and Erbil. The dollar exchange rate's stabilization across these cities indicates a leveling out of supply and demand for foreign currency, specifically the US dollar. This stability may result from several measures taken by the central government in Baghdad and the regional authorities in the Kurdistan region. When oil prices are high, Iraq earns more foreign currency from its oil exports, which can strengthen the dinar against the dollar. Conversely, when oil prices fall, the reduced income can lead to increased demand for dollars, resulting in a weaker dinar. In addition to oil prices, political factors play a crucial role in currency stability in Iraq. The country is divided into different regions, with the Kurdistan region enjoying a degree of autonomy. This arrangement sometimes leads to political tensions between the central government in Baghdad and the Kurdistan Regional Government, KRG, in Erbil, especially regarding revenue sharing, budget allocations, and control over oil resources. These disputes can cause uncertainty in the market, affecting the confidence of investors and traders, which in turn impacts the exchange rate. However, recent cooperation and coordination between Baghdad and Erbil suggest a positive trend toward political stability and economic integration. If Erbil and the wider Kurdistan region are now playing ball, as the original statement suggests, it implies that the Kurdistan regional government is taking steps to align its policies with the federal government. This cooperation could encompass areas such as oil revenue management, budget agreements, security coordination, and economic reforms. By working together, both governments can contribute to an environment that is more conducive to economic stability, which reflects in the steadiness of exchange rates. The stability of exchange rates across Baghdad, Basra, and Erbil could also be attributed to proactive monetary policies by the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI. The CBI is responsible for implementing measures to manage inflation, stabilize the currency, and maintain the financial system's stability. In recent years, the CBI has used various tools, such as foreign currency auctions, to regulate the supply of US dollars in the market. By carefully managing these auctions and taking steps to curb speculative trading, the central bank can help smooth out fluctuations in the exchange rate. Additionally, the CBI might have implemented reforms or policies that encourage the use of the dinar for domestic transactions, thereby reducing the demand for dollars within the country. The improvement of foreign currency reserves could also play a role in this stability. If the CBI has managed to increase its foreign reserves through prudent economic policies or by capitalizing on higher oil prices, it would have a stronger capacity to defend the dinar's value. Another factor that can influence exchange rate stability is the relationship between Iraq's central government and the international community. Over the years, Iraq has received support and loans from international organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank. Assistance from these organizations often comes with conditions, such as implementing structural reforms, improving governance, and fighting corruption. If Iraq has made progress on these fronts, it could lead to increased investor confidence and a more stable currency. In this regard, it's worth noting that the Kurdistan region's cooperation in matters such as oil revenue sharing and budget management can send a positive signal to international partners and investors. When the central government and the Kurdistan regional government are seen working together harmoniously, it helps build trust in Iraq's overall economic stability. This trust can attract foreign direct investment and financial assistance, which in turn bolsters the country's foreign exchange reserves and helps stabilize the currency. The stability observed in the exchange rates might also reflect internal market adjustments where businesses and individuals anticipate less volatility in the currency market. If local businesses in Baghdad, Basra, and Erbil perceive the economic environment as becoming more predictable, they may reduce speculative activities, thus lowering pressure on the exchange rate. Additionally, stability in exchange rates might result from a balancing of regional economic activities, where differences in demand and supply for foreign currency across different regions are minimized through improved coordination. The role of Erbil and the broader Kurdistan region in this stabilization effort is particularly notable. Given the region's autonomy and its significant oil production capacity, the policies adopted by the Kurdistan regional government can have a substantial impact on the country's overall economic environment. If Erbil has decided to align its policies with Baghdad's and adhere to agreements regarding revenue sharing and oil exports, it could help create a more unified economic approach, which is conducive to exchange rate stability. The alignment may also involve steps to curb any unofficial currency trading markets or black market activities that could disrupt the official exchange rate. Furthermore, stability in exchange rates can also reflect regional and global economic factors beyond Iraq's control. The value of the US dollar itself can influence exchange rates in Iraq. If the dollar has been stable or weakening against a basket of global currencies, it could translate to a more stable exchange rate in Iraq as well. Conversely, if the global demand for oil, a key export commodity for Iraq, remains strong, it can increase Iraq's foreign currency earnings, thus helping stabilize the exchange rate. In conclusion, the observed stability in the dollar exchange rates in Baghdad, Basra, and Erbil can be attributed to a combination of factors. These include political cooperation between the central government and the Kurdistan regional government, proactive monetary policies by the Central Bank of Iraq, improvements in oil revenues, progress in economic reforms, international support, and better security conditions. As Erbil and the Kurdistan region continue to cooperate with Baghdad, the prospects for maintaining stability in the currency exchange rates may improve further, potentially paving the way for more robust economic growth and development across Iraq. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.